Do you wish your eyebrows looked better, more glamorous? Do you want your brows back from when you were young? Want to look even better? Do you need help doing your eyebrows just the way you want them? You may be losing hairs due to old age or chemotherapy, or maybe you've gone too far with waxing, threading, and plucking, so new hairs barely ever grow, and now you're having trouble getting the eyebrows you want. Or maybe you just need a few hair strokes here and there to make them look a bit better. Whatever the case, microblading may just be the solution you've been looking for. Microblading is a form of permanent makeup that gives your eyebrows a perfectly natural look and eliminates the need to draw them day after day and waste valuable time. This procedure is a type of tattooing, during which trained technicians use sterile, one-time use needles to insert the color into the dermis using strokes of different pressure and speed, creating a long-lasting effect of beautiful eyebrows. Sounds interesting. Here's how microblading helps you. During microblading, every hair is done individually, and you're able to choose the shape, size, and color that best match your eyebrows to restore or replace the missing hairs. The end result looks very natural, so you don't have to worry about looking as though you've obviously just tattooed your eyebrows. Plan on 2 to 3 sessions to complete your brow. Microblading is an investment in your beauty that will enable you to look good anytime with no additional effort. Get the look you've always wanted while simultaneously saving time for things that are important to you. It's never been this easy. Ready to start? Visit www.microblading.com to get answers to all the questions regarding microblading and its effects, and to easily find a professional near you. Look like yourself, only better. Insist on the finest hygienic microblading needle cartridge, designed by a doctor.